have Teddington Lock, where you've got to wait and go through and all that sort of stuff, right over the front. Now I'll show you a bit around here. Yeah, there we go, the wharf. There we go. Oh, have a look around here as well. Ah, cool, cool. Just gotta wait for the lock to do its thing. So I'll see you when we get out the other side. Did want to share with you that we are actually physically going down. The water level is dropping a bit, so obviously it drops and then we can go through and that sort of thing. The water level here has dropped even more, because you can see where the stairs were before has dropped. So it shouldn't be too long before we actually get around, because we're dropping levels anyway from top to bottom, as you saw previously. Here we go, we are now moving along, as you can see. Well, hey, moving along the lock. Bye bye lock, bye bye lock. See you later. And out the other side. We've now gone past Teddington Lock. I'm heading through all these lovely, lovely houses on the riverside. Would you think you get one of these for $250,000, or would it be more or less? It depends on, I suppose, depends on the area you live. Like if it's Wales, Scotland, Ireland, or whatever. Well, hey, more rowers, rowing again, doing their thing. The first of many today. Cheers. $4.50, but obviously you can't go wrong with that. I know, obviously, but you've got to make a profit somewhere. Don't mind. Here we are, we're just cruising along at a steady pace. And that, as you can see, just cruising along at a steady, mild pace. Not too fast, not too short. Oh, boat. About 50 million times too small for Roman Abramovich's boat. And all the millionaire boats you see in the Mediterranean. But yeah, quite a lot of boats down here. People live on these sometimes all year round. More people rowing. Hello! Over here, as you can see, we have Ham House. Let me just zoom in. Big Ham House and gardens. Like, I think it's a National Trust property. National Trust. I'm not sure though. I'll have to look it up. But I'm sure it is. And the big garden you can see, because we're not far from Richmond. I made it to Richmond. I'll be popping along to the museum in a bit, probably in about 15-20 minutes. Look around, for example, because I did message the museum on email to say if it's okay to film, because obviously I'd rather get okay for permission to film in the museum or wherever I go, that sort of thing. So yeah, turning around. Oh, there we go. Look, ducks. A favourite. The White Cross pub. I'll just get it up here. Oh, the White Cross, there we go. Nice little pub actually. So it goes this way. I'll have to have a look on Google Maps to see officially where exactly the museum is compared to the rest. So yeah. Okay. Oh, better go over here. Car coming. You see me Swippy? Ah, sorry. Let's get an ice cream. I've only gone to sport myself. 99 with flake. It cost me £2.50. £2.50. But still, when I was young, it was 99p. But oh well. Let's go. Oh, here we have this cancer research. I'm going to resist the cancer research because I got a car boot on Monday, big one on Monday, and I'm not here to do the charity shops. I'll come back and do a vlog in summer of charity shops. I'm turn around. I would also got Bristol on the 27th. I'll do a charity shop. If Reselling Polly Sam hasn't burgled the charity shops, thank God, and used them all up. Nah, she'll be alright. But she says she's going on a Friday, but that sort of thing. So, what I do, I'll see you near the museum. Here is the main high street, or a high street, I should say. Not the main, but the high street, or a high street. Few little places here. Just having a look. I think, right, it's down here, the museum. Oh yeah, here we go. That's the one I messaged him the other day about filming in the museum. That's right. So I'll see him again then. Here we are in the Museum of Richmond. You've got the floors, Museum of Richmond, second floor, reference library, Riverside Gallery, the town hall. What's on? Let's have a look. The theatres. The bird used to be River Song in Doctor Who. Let's have a little bit. It's Tea in the Hill. The guide. I think I might pick one up on the way back. Riverside Gallery. I'll go in the Riverside Gallery and have a look around. Because it's free to come in the Museum of Richmond. I love a museum, as you may know. 11 o'clock, all's well that ends well. Would love to work in a museum, it'd be my perfect job. Love it. Always different pictures. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Off. That's nice. Sorry, I laugh at that. Off. You never know what you're going to see, to be honest. Do some artwork and that sort of thing. Oh, a bit naked. The saga booth about the artist. So as I say, I messaged him the other day about filming and said it's okay, you can do it. Which is pretty good anyway. Because quite a lot of places don't let you film. For different types of reasons. But I say, I'm only a small channel, so I don't need the whole place to myself. Even though I have, but... I'm now officially getting used to the Viltrox VX T60 camera tripod, which I'll link down below, the tripod. because it's quite heavy with the fat ass Sony camera I've got, the SEHX 400V. Hey sexy, come up here. Come in there. Not too bad. Like looking at pictures. That was the Riverside Gallery. Okay, the second ground floor, first floor is the reference library. Museum of Richmond, local study, second floor. So, Museum of Richmond, visit us on the second floor, which I will do. I'll go up the stairs now. Who's this guy? John Whittaker. Just a few of the events that the library does. So I don't need to go in the reference library. Museum of Richmond, local studies upstairs. The Riverside, 1988. What the Riverside looked like about nearly 31 years ago. Not too bad really. House of Sheen. Ah. Manor House. What we got here? Henry V. Rebuilt Sheen Palace. What I'll do as well is I'll link the Museum of Richmond in the comments below, and yeah, please feel free to visit and go on their website and have a look, see what they do. I've got here medieval Sheen, the manorial system. Ah, cool. What have we got here? Charterhouse, 1450. A monk. Oh yeah, monk. Is that you in there? Carthusian order. What it used to be, looked like many hundred years ago. All the big chainmail they used to wear in battle. Very heavy though. Protect them from the swords. Well, supposedly arrows, in a way. Richmond Palace, 1501 to 1603. Yeah. What remains today? You can pause it at certain points and have a read as much as you can. This is 1603 to 1660, the palace evolved over the years. 1562, this is what it was in the Tudor period. Terrace Walk, Riverside House. 17th century, fashionable Richmond. Situation, yeah, it's not far from London, so whatever happened in London happened in Richmond. Because over the ages it was different things. This is the workhouse clock mechanism, 1819. The mayoral robes belonging to Councillor Thomas Stevens, Mayor of Richmond, 1907 to 1908. Obviously we're going through the ages, so from early to more modern history. What do we have here? 1812. Oh. Star and a garter, hotels on the hillside. Yeah. Because as we came into Richmond, we saw Ham House, and I did film a bit of Ham House, as you've probably already seen. It's a really nice museum. It's small, but it's got a lot of facts, interesting facts. Henry VIII. Hello, hello. Just check my phone going off for YouTube videos. Bill Club Show, Richmond. 17th to 24th of June.